Hello, guys. Welcome to another episode of JJ International, to our channel, your trusted source of U.S. Customs Trade and Immigration law explained clearly and professionally. Subscribe now and stay compliant, informed, and ahead of the game. Before we begin, a sincere thanks to you all, our loyal subscribers, and a warm welcome to our newest supporters. JJ International exists because of viewers like you, people who value clear, honest insights into the U.S. Customs and Immigration and federal laws. If you find value in our content, don't forget to share these videos, and let's grow this informed community together. In today's episode, we're going to talk about if CBP, Customs and Border Protection, selected your company for focused assessment, will you be ready for the assessment? That's the problem. That's what we're going to talk about. And obviously, this isn't your average document review. It's an intensive audit of your entire import operation and how well you comply with U.S. customs regulations. This is what we're going to talk about right now. Let me explain what it is and how CBP conducts it and how you can prepare for it. Okay, and pretty much a focus assessment is a CBP's most detailed audit, and it's often triggered by patterns of non-compliance. And today I'll show you how the process works and how to pass it with confidence, pretty much. And what is exactly a focus assessment? And again, it's an in-depth compliance audit conducted by CBP's Regulatory Audit Division, focuses on internal controls, entry accuracy, and record keeping, used to determine if your company exercises reasonable care and complies with 19 U.S. Code 1484 entry compliance and 19 CFR 163, which is record keeping. Okay, so those two are the main subjects. Okay, and phases of a focus assessment. It's a pre-assessment survey. CBP sends a letter requesting company information. They'll evaluate your import volume, entry data, and broker use. They may conduct an on-site review, assessment phase, or in-depth review of entries, classifications, origin claims, valuations, testing of internal controls over import transactions, comparison of invoice data versus file CBP entries, follow-up or corrective action phase. If issues are found, CBP may process a compliance improvement plan. You may need to file prior disclosure or corrective post-summary correction, which means that you probably going to have to correct entries if indeed they found errors on the documentations that were previously filed. And what are the common triggers for a focused assessment? Obviously, repeated HTS misclassifications, unsupported foreign trade agreements claims, undervaluation or royalty or omissions, lack of broker oversight or internal subs, prior CBP warnings or penalties, how to prepare before CBP knocks. Conduct a mock audit, review your top import products and entries, update your customs compliance manual, keep your records for at least 5 years, document your internal training and anything that you have on brokers instructions or your agents or whoever you hire, um, that covers all your transactions. A focus assessment reviews your company's compliance controls, the accuracy of your CBP entries, your ability to document reasonable care. It's one of the strongest keywords that they use, reasonable care. Be proactive. Don't wait for the audit to begin. Um, so, again, if you want to find out if your company could pass a CBP focus assessment, um, again, JG International can help you perform a mock audit and strengthen your compliance systems before CBP takes a look um, at any of the documentations, or before they even consider knocking on your door. Like I said, um, so again, um, be careful with that. And that's pretty much what we have right now on focus assessment. Just be ready, just in case Customs sends a sort of a request for information, and just be aware that if it's going to be a focus assessment, then it's going to be very in-depth detail what they're going to try to look for and search for. And mainly, that's why you have to make sure that you constantly check your uh, your transactions, and make sure you have something established as importers, because you're responsible. So be careful with all that. Make sure you have your records uh, for 5 years, which is the law, and you are required and obligated under the law to maintain them. So be careful with that. And again, this is what we have for you guys. And again, thanks for watching JJ International. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, please. Subscribe and turn on the bell to never miss updates on U.S. Customs, Trade, and Immigration law. Stay informed, stay protected. Um, keep up to date with the daily ones. We're gonna have more videos upcoming up, and just don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video, and thank you very much for everything. And I'll see you later, guys. Okay, thank you, appreciate it.